Gazzy.
Oh yeah, this is Liz.
Right, what are we going to be fixing today, Gaz?
Oh, we're going to be building a computer, you know.
Oh, is this all the plans up on here?
Yeah.
Anyway, enough said. Let's get going.
I've got the components, so step one is chuck it outside so we have a good workspace. Here we go. Step two, put it on a nice flat surface for a good workspace.
This is a hard drive, which I repaired. Now let me just tape it in.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. Right, now what I'm going to do is do that, and then I can chuck in my other components. Parts unnecessary. Now we're going to chuck a circuit board in right there. Oh jeez, this duct tape's useless.
You got to get the reject shop brand, not that other brand, whatever it was.
Yeah, Jesus, look how useless this tape is. Right, now that's done. Now to take this in. Done. Join it all up, so.
Yeah, you need your cords.
We need one going in there. Need one going through here. And we've got one going through the motherboard. Because you know, it kind of needs to connect to the motherboard. And then we need one coming out the back.
Yeah.
Through this hole.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and then one come up, and then
put in your power or whatever.
Yeah, and then we're going to go back through, plug her into here. Can you do the honours of putting the top on, Les?
Yeah. I'm putting the top. I'm real good with computers. I know me way around a Facebook and an email. Wrong way. There we go.
Yeah, that'll do.
That's
thanks,
secure.
Les. Yeah, to go spray it with WD40. Now this is my official WD40 bench. Right, let's get cracking.
Outside.
Yeah. Make sure that top's on.
We here at Spastic fixing with duct tape keep out the environment. We only do it inside so it doesn't go outside all the gases.
Yeah.
We're single-handedly stopping global warming.
Anyway, just gonna give it a while and come back. So let's go outside and do something, I don't know, athletic.
And after a steady few minutes,
An hour, mate.
oh, it'll come back. Okay, now for the grand reveal. 1, 2, 3. There we have it. Brand new computer.
Kids.
Buying new computers is for drongos. Fixing them is for heaps good people.
Now, as you can clearly see, functioning proper. Now I'm Gaz.
And I'm Liz.